what's going on, everyone? Dev the Michigander here, coming at you with another video. And today, I didn't really know what to film, so we're gonna go for a drive to Port Huron area, around there, and see what we can find. Let's go. Alright guys, about 5 minutes into my drive, it started snowing like crazy and the roads are getting bad, so I think I'm going to just turn around and go back home so I can avoid any accidents that could happen on this road, because this road is not looking too good. Yeah, I feel like it just seems like they didn't even really plow the roads that well. I know the wind's blowing and it's snowing on and off, but it doesn't even feel like these were even plowed that well. Like they went over it once and called it great. Good. Oh look, there's Campbell's greenhouse. The roads just keep getting worse. I'm on my way home now, actually. I turned around. They're just getting worse. Snow stopped for now, but it's supposed to start snowing again. You see all those gray clouds. Ain't looking too good. Well, that didn't go as planned. I really wanted to head out to Port Huron area, and by the time I started driving there, I got about 10 minutes into my journey and snow started coming down. The roads started getting piles of snow on them. They had ice on them. It was just awful. It took me a while to get back home, but I made it back home safely. If you guys are out there driving right now, please stay safe, because it's getting bad again. Like, we're having another second wind of snow coming in, if you know what I mean. But it was just awful, and hopefully it's not like this tomorrow, and I can hopefully get out there and film some great videos for you. But today's vlog is actually going to be a home vlog now, so let's go inside and have some fun in there. I really didn't know what to vlog today, guys. In the house, I was just straightening up some stuff around the house. Wasn't really doing much today, but I gotta go get stuff for dinner. We're gonna have burgers tonight, so thought I'd just bring you along with me. Now entering the town of Lapeer. Now we're back at our favorite place, Wally World. Let's go in and get stuff for dinner. What is that? Windshield wipers. It's like hair. Oh, that's gross. It's not mine. I have no idea where that came from. Ugh. Well, we just made it home from Walmart. Picked up some goodies for dinner tonight. We're gonna have some brisket burgers. Man, those are the best kind of burgers you can get. Oh, so juicy, just so good, so good. Picked up a new seasoning. It's called Buttery Burger Rub. We're gonna see how that tastes. So yeah, right now the roads ain't that bad. It looks like they're actually getting out there and finishing up the plowing work. So hopefully tomorrow, fingers crossed, hopefully tomorrow I can get out there and I can film some interesting things, like go to Port Huron and go look at the lake. I want to go look at the lake again. When we went to Port Austin, oh man, going and just looking at the frozen lake, that was probably the best feeling of calmness I've ever had. And I can't wait to enjoy that again. And it really wasn't so much the snow on the roads that was causing an issue, because my little Neon is actually pretty dang good in the snow. It was mainly the patches of ice that were under the snow from when the snow melted and then refroze. So it made it a really slick, like you stepped on the brakes, your car would start to slide. So it just made it a little dangerous to travel that far of a distance in case something happened. And something happened when I was in my car, and something happened and I had to stay in my car, lost heat or something. It just made sense to just turn around and come home and plan to go on adventures when the roads and the weather isn't as bad. Well, here's my lovely Neon that I drive. I know it's not the greatest looking vehicle, but it does its job. It's got a little rust, but you can expect that with any vehicle that you buy from Michigan. And surprisingly, This thing has 130,000 miles on it. It had 126,000 when I bought it, but I only bought this car for $800. It was $1,000. We talked the guy down to $800. All I had to do was redo the brakes, and I put a new radiator in it because after driving in it for about 2-3 months, it got a leak. Put a new radiator in it. It's ran fine since. Knock on wood. Yeah, and this Neon can get through the snow very well. When I drive to work in the morning, I've had no problems. So this car is amazing. About my car, I am van hunting, so hopefully I can find a van and replace this old good reliable car with something that I could possibly turn into a house or a weekender camping machine. So yeah, so I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna start cooking up these brisket burgers. Well, that burger was just delicious. I think that's going to do it for today, guys. I know it wasn't really much of an exciting day, but we still had fun here. And with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps me out, makes me feel good. Also helps out the YouTube algorithm to get my videos out there to other viewers just so they can watch this video goodness. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe because I do post daily and you'll never miss a video if you subscribe. And with that, just remember, get your foot out the door and explore. I'll see you in the next one.